certain websites, and when you right click, you cannot see download images. This is because the website doesn't want you to download the images, or maybe because it might not be conscious, but it could be because of the way the image was placed, either with CSS and all that. So when you right click, you can't see save images. And there are also pages where you go to, you see certain videos, you want to download those videos, but you cannot find the download button and you cannot download them. But you really do want to download them. I want to show you how to do that. But remember, this is just for educational purposes, so I'm not trying to encourage you infringing on anyone's copyright. I'm going to show you how to do it on Safari and on Chrome. So first of all, let's do Safari. So you go to Inspect Element. When you go to Inspect Element, remember where you click on Inspect Element is on the image. Down you can see this. On this section, you see figure class image hero. So this image is the image used as the hero section of this website, and these are the styles, but this is not where we are going to look from. So we are going to look from this place. So remember, there are three sections here. This section, this is the HTML, this section, this is more of the CSS, and then this section, this is where you see the properties and all that. So here on the background image, you simply come here and you see this particular link. You do what? You copy this link. Okay, I'm going to extend this so that you see it very well. You can see the image. So I simply copy this link. I'm copying this image directly from the source. So what I'm going to do is I simply click on copy link. I open a new page, I paste it, and here is the image. So I can simply go to save image to downloads, right? So when I save it to downloads, I've downloaded the image. Now I want to show you how to do that on Chrome or Edge or any other browser. Microsoft Edge, which I said is fundamentally the same with that of Google Chrome, because it's based on the Chromium open source code. So this is the page, we've opened it, and same with this. When you click on this guy here, you won't see save image. When you click on save as, what you're actually saving is the entire HTML. So what you are saving is the entire web page, which does not make sense. All right, so what you are going to do here is you click on view inspect. You click on inspect. So this is the image that we're inspecting, right? So you click on inspect, is the element, and here is the style, that is the CSS. So what you do is you come to this part where you see computed. You simply click on computed and you come to background image, and you can see the same image. So you simply copy this image the same way we saw on the Safari, or you come here and simply click on this place, and here the image is open. If you notice from the Safari, you see that we downloaded the desktop image, and when we came to the Edge, what we got was the image used in the mobile version of the website. So what we can do is we can simply come to this part of you can simply come to this part of the toolbar and change this to, we can look for a dimension that gives us that image we are looking for. So when I switch to responsive, what I can do is I can simply say 1080 by 900. So I can simply say 1080 by 900, and here we have the image. So I can use this tool here to select the elements, and then I come to this place. So you can see that the image URL here has changed, and the image here has changed to large 2 times. So I click on this place and I have the image of the desktop version. So, and you can also apply this same thing to the Safari. You can apply the same thing to the Safari um, when you come to this section. So you can see now we have. I clicked on this place. Now it gave us the mobile version. It gave us the mobile version of the image. So here now you can download the mobile version of the image. So I can always use this to switch. So when I use some of these features here, it can alternate from the desktop version to the mobile version. So depending on the image you are looking for, if you are looking for the particular image you saw on the mobile version, this is how you can get it done.